Hello bosses, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully it's not too much of an echo in the bathroom, but hello, it's Thursday and I'm getting ready for another photo shoot. For what you can tell is my new Fearless line that's coming out for Black Friday. So it's just one of the pieces that are coming out. I feel like it's an echo in here, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I think that's a little bit better. So anyways, this is coming out on Black Friday and I want to chat with you all. I told you guys in the last vlog that I would show you somewhere behind the scenes, and somebody even commented on my Instagram asking if I could show y'all how to do my makeup, which, girl, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? So I'm getting my contacts out. I do the same makeup for everything because I don't know how to do my makeup for real. So this is what I'm doing. Something else, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got my lashes done. I've been getting my eyelashes done for the past month because for these photo shoots, the girls want you to have your full face beat to buy the clothes from you, and I'm like, girl, I can't do my lashes, and I've tried. So I just ended up getting eyelash extensions. Can y'all tell? I tried to get them as natural as possible, and I'm gonna be honest, like, do y'all get lash extensions? Let me know in the comments. Does it hurt when you go? Cause it be hurting me when I go, and I low-key feel like it's the lash tech, not the actual like lashes. This is a size medium, by the way. So in this shoot, I have 3 pieces that I'm gonna be shooting. Excuse my face. And this is a size medium, an oversized look, like a little, you know, schoolgirl look with my turtleneck. The other 2 are a size small, my actual size. But I'm gonna see if I can do this fast because the shoot starts in about an hour and a half. So now I'm not gonna talk y'all through this makeup look. I'm just gonna show the products and do my face. I'm gonna do it fast. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to talk through it the next time. I will, but because of time, I'm gonna take too long. I talk too much, but I will show the products. None of this is sponsored. I just wanted to show. This is also, I'm not an MUA. I'm gonna leave that there, okay? All right, cue the music. I'm about to straighten my hair. It's pretty much already straightened. Now my holy grail product for this hair, okay? Y'all probably already know it. It's this Garnier Fructis Sleek Shine oil. I just put it a little bit, oh, it's close. Hello. I just put a little bit on my hands, like a dime size amount. I just rub it all over like lotion, and then I just swipe it through. Yep. So anyways, you guys, I put out my mugs last night. You guys saw my last vlog that I was doing my Fearless mugs. So those are only for pre-order for 24 hours. So it went out last night. By the time you see this video, they're gone. They'll be back though for Black Friday. So today is a photo shoot just for these a few Fearless crew necks that'll also be for Black Friday. So y'all are getting a sneak peek, because in the last vlog you saw some other items that are also coming out. And I told you guys in the last vlog that I just probably would only put everything out during Black Friday, but the more I think about it, the more I kind of keep an eye on like other people in this industry. There's some other bigger boutiques, like you guys may know, like Lily's Closet, who at this point is huge. Also Nicole Linnell, you may know her as well. I'm on their email list because I actually shop at their stores like literally all the time. But also from a business standpoint, I like to just see like what other stores are doing in my industry. And they both have done some type of sale in their store already. And they're also still putting out new pieces. Now, of course, you take into consideration other people, and then you think about what works best for your business. So I am considering, because it's November, I'm still very new to the game. I think we all are. Lily's been in the game for like, I think 5+ years, but Nicole's only been in the game for about a few years as well. So I feel like we're all still learning as we go. However, something I'm considering is having, no, not considering, what I've noticed is that right now people are wanting sales when they shop just during this time of year. That's just what they're looking for. So I think I'm gonna do a pre-Black Friday sale tomorrow with my list. When I come back home from my photo shoot, I'll plan out all the details. And I may release a few of the new items. This is my thing. The reason why I haven't done a big sale yet is I like to focus on one thing at a time. And I noticed that when I focus on too many things, my audience takes little to no action. So my focus until 7 o'clock tonight are my mugs. But I think what I'm gonna do is tonight I'm going to show a little sneak peek of my Sherpa jacket, saying coming soon. Yeah, I think I'm done. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put out these jackets. I'm gonna show them off tonight. Some pictures that I have. Oh, those pictures are so cute. My thing though, y'all, honestly, I'm still learning. So my thing is, I see the best results when I give my audience enough time to get excited, to see it, to get prepared, to purchase. And I have to follow through. Usually when I give them a few days, show the styles and all of that, talk about it enough, the sales are like astronomical. All right, y'all, so it's 10 o'clock. I don't wear any lip because I need to actually, oh, a lip would be cute. I just since I moved here, at this point it's been like 5 months, but I can't really find, I think I might have thrown away my lip colors. It would be so cute, like I have like a brown lip though with this, like a brown, especially for this. Y'all want to see the other colors? Let me show y'all, hold on. Okay, so here's the other color. It's called Sapphire. So pretty. I love like the finish. It's like a grainy heather look. And then we have my favorite color ever. Y'all saw this in the last vlog, which is the orange color. So we have just these 3 colors that I'm shooting today. I probably will release more colors for Black Friday. Like I'm gonna definitely do a black one. I just don't have a black crew neck, and I feel like people know what black, and I already have pictures of the black one as well. So I'm just gonna shoot these. Excuse the mess, like I always tell y'all. I'm gonna clean up this mess. We have about an hour to the photo shoot. Oh, someone asked me this, so I'll show y'all this. Someone once asked me, like, what do you do once you take pictures with your inventory? Like, do I keep them for myself? What do I do? And this is exactly what I do. So some of these pieces I'll keep for myself. At this point, I've worn this so many times and I think I'm gonna continue to wear it. So I'm gonna keep this turtleneck for myself along with all of these crew necks. I'm keeping all these for myself. But on Monday's photo shoot, I'm not keeping any of that stuff for myself. And this is what I do. So I washed all of it with unscented It's unscented detergent that's like really sensitive, so it doesn't do any damage or leave any scent at all, but it gets out stains and it gets out any scents from before. And then I don't dry it. I don't want it to shrink or do anything that it shouldn't do, so I just usually hang it up for it to dry. So, and then I'll sell it like normal. If you think about it, when you go try on clothes, when you go to the store inside and you buy that stuff that someone else has tried on, they're not even washing that stuff, so you go and buy it with makeup stains on it anyways. So anyways, I wash it with non-scented detergent and I will sell it. If there's any signs of damage or any stains that just don't come out, then I eat that cost and I just don't sell it at all. I'm not going to sell anything that I believe is damaged or not good quality. So I have everything packed. Y'all want to see, like, I guess y'all want to see like all of the details of this photo shoot. So I packed everything in my Glamaholic duffel bag. I'll show y'all. If you know, then you know. I'll show you. Okay, so here's the duffel bag. Y'all know Glamaholic lifestyle is a thing. And so yeah, in here I have my 2 outfits. I can fit 2 pairs of shoes, deodorant and a comb, lotion because I didn't put any on after the shower, but I know I might need some. And yeah, at the bottom you guys can't see, but my other crew necks are down there. And I had some oatmeal. It's actually 11 o'clock now. My photo shoot started at 11, but the photographer hit me up and let me know he's running 20 minutes behind, which is okay with me because the location we're going to is not far, so I can be there soon. So I'm gonna actually head out now though, because some people say they'll be late and they end up being on time. That's how I am. So just in case he shows up sooner than later, I'm gonna head out. My only downfall right now, I'm putting my shoes on, is I don't have a full length mirror in this house at all. So I used my iPad to like stand back and like take a video to see how I looked, and I don't get a really good depiction. Let me show you guys what I look like actually. This color is in for the winter, so this is gonna be a hit. Okay, anyways, I should probably go. So hopefully my outfit looks okay. All right, you guys, just like that, 45 minutes later or so, we are finished. We are complete with the shoot. I showed you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. So that is that. So he's gonna go and edit the pictures for me. He said he'll have them to me by tonight for me to choose my top pictures. If you can afford a photo shoot, definitely do it if you can. It just makes it so much easier. You don't have to worry about setting up, you don't have to worry about getting the angles because they got you, you know, and it's so comfortable. It just was so comfortable. So I'm blessed, I'm excited, I'm happy. Now it is now 12 o'clock. We did so much today at 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna find something to eat out here. And that is it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, leave a comment down below. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And what do you guys want to see next? I plan on bringing more vlogs to you all throughout the next couple of months for the rest of this year. So leave a comment down below, what other side of business do you want to see, and I'll bring you more into like a more personal, intimate view of what I do every day. So I'm gonna head back home now. I have a few things to do. I have to order a few more things for Black Friday still. I got invited to a podcast. I need to send some information over to her. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, bosses.